To understand how SmartAC health monitoring works, it's helpful to understand some basics of air conditioning. When cooling your home, the system circulates the air from your living area past freezing cold coils and then forces this cold air through the vents back into the living space. When heating your home, the opposite happens, with hot air exiting the vents after being heated by the furnace. Now, just because your system is running doesn't mean it's performing well. An unhealthy system uses more energy and has a shorter life expectancy. Together, these can cost you thousands of dollars over the lifespan of your AC system. Despite this fact, 80% of homeowners are doing nothing to maintain their systems, virtually guaranteeing an expensive breakdown, which seems to always happen at the most inconvenient time. That's what makes SmartAC so powerful. We perform daily health checks with over 50,000 temperature and airflow readings every day. The comfort sensor monitors the hot or cold air coming from your vents. Tracking the performance of the system allows us to detect small problems before they become costly repairs. The filter sensor tracks the lifespan of your air filters, alerting you when they need to be changed. Optimizing filter replacements can save you up to 15% on your energy bills. The water sensor guards against leaks and clogs that can cause catastrophic damage to your home. These data signatures, combined with system design parameters and machine learning, allow us to confidently alert you when a fault occurs and predict when your system is headed for a serious breakdown. Finally, like the check engine light in your car, the app also alerts you when it's time to change your air filters, schedule a tune-up, or call in a professional when outside help is needed.